Do you really understand how credit works? Let me tell you. You'll be surprised at all of the misconceptions and myths that are floating out there about credit that really aren't true. Hello, beautiful people and my fellow entrepreneurs. Welcome to the Biznezz Academy. On this channel, we're about the buzz in the biz. Biz with business credit and biz with personal credit. Listen, if this is your first time here, please don't let it be your last. On this channel, we're your go-to hub for everything personal credit, business credit, and funding for your credit. Listen. Get your pen and paper ready to take advantage of the nuggets that I am about to throw your way. And if you've been watching me and this is not your first, second, or third time, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And every time a video goes live, you'll be notified. Let's get into it. In today's video, I am going to share with you 5 common myths about credit that could be preventing you from reaching your financial goal. Myth number 1 is checking your score could hurt it. Many people believe that if you pull your credit profile, that your score is affected and it lowers, it decreases, it declines, it goes down. Not true. Checking your credit score is only a soft inquiry. In fact, I would recommend you do this every year. Or as a business, I would recommend you doing it quarterly, subscribing to a credit monitoring service and pulling your score quarterly just to ensure that everything is consistent and there are no discrepancies. Myth number 2. Many people believe you need to carry a balance on your credit cards. Basically, you must have a balance on your credit card. Absolutely not true. In fact, it's best that you pay that balance every month to keep your utilization low and avoid interest that could occur with having a balance. Myth number 3. Closing old accounts improves your score. Nothing can be further from the truth than that. In fact, when you close an old credit card, you are hurting your credit score. It actually decreases because the strength of your profile is based on the history and longevity of it. So you never, ever want to close an old account. Even if you don't use it, never close it, because what happens is that helps the strength of your profile. The longevity and the credit history reflects and makes you look worthy. Myth number 4. High income earners are guaranteed a high credit score. Many people believe that the more money you make, the better your credit score. That's not true, because your credit score is not based on your income. It's based on factors like your payment history, your utilization, the inquiries or lack of inquiries that you have, your credit mix, as well as the length of your credit. Myth number 5, paying off your collections improves your credit. Not at all. Once you have a collection, paying off collections could further damage your credit. But once it goes into collection, the damage is done. It's done. And there you have it, guys. 5 common myths about credit that could possibly be stopping you from reaching your financial goal. Listen, if you're enjoying this content and you want me to elaborate and talk about more topics about business credit or personal credit that I haven't, why don't you go ahead and leave me a comment below. And if you would like to get on a free strategy call with me to find out how I can enhance your credit so you can get that 800 or more, or how I can help you build your business credibility so you can get some good funding for your business, go ahead and click the link below, book a time and a day. Let's get on the phone and talk about it. And until next time, I love you. I love you.